So hi everyone! For today's video, I'll be making or cooking chicken kare-kare. It is a Filipino food originated in Pampanga. So it's a chicken with peanut butter sauce. So first step is saute your chicken. Make sure you're going to saute it on both sides for 2 minutes each. Add your paprika and your chicken bouillon, 2 cups, 2.5 cups, or chicken broth. Bring this to boil until chicken is tender. Dissolve your peanut butter in your pan. Because as what I've said earlier, this is a chicken stew with peanut butter sauce. So let's dissolve our peanut butter. And then let us add our vegetables. Right here is I have eggplant. I have my frozen string beans. I have my bell peppers. I have my green, purple, and my red bell pepper. And let us mix this together and cook for 5 minutes. And it is cooked. My kare-kare. So I added pepper flakes on this one because I want it a bit spicy. Dinner is served with my bagoong. Bon appetit, everyone!